everybody. So this next segment that we're doing is going to be on adding fractions. Adding fractions with common denominators are easier than adding them with unlike denominators. However, we can definitely add them with unlike denominators as long as we find the common denominator, which is our first step. So these are just 4 little rules you can write down before we start solving our problem. Find the common denominator. That is the first rule. Finding the common denominator can be difficult, but in order for you to save time, the best way to do it is to multiply your denominators that you already have together, and you will get a common denominator. The second rule is what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Change the numerators. So whatever you multiply that denominator by to get your common denominator, multiply that same number by its numerator, and then change your numerator. This will make sense when we do the example. Third step, compute your numerators. You want to add those numerators together. The denominators stay the same. Last step, don't forget to reduce. So here we're going to have a problem. 2 over 6 plus 3 over 4. Okay? Now looking at this, we want to find our common denominator between 4 and 6. Let's say we don't know how to do that. The best way to do it is to multiply them together. So if we multiply 6 times 4, we get 24. Okay, next question. What did you multiply by 4 to get 24? We multiply it by 6. So what you do to the bottom, we do to the top. 3 times 6 is 18. Next fraction. 6 times 4 gave us 24. What we do to the bottom, we do to the top. 2 times 4 is 8. Here's the part where we need to be computing our numerators. So we want to add 8 plus 18. So if we add 8 plus 18, we're going to get 26. Reminder that the denominator stays the same. So now we have what's called an improper fraction, 26 over 24. We need to reduce this fraction. You will always know that a fraction can be reduced if the numbers are both even. And the best number to use when reducing fractions that are even is to divide by 2. So if we would want to reduce this improper fraction down to lowest terms, we would divide by 2 at the top and divide by 2 at the bottom. So 26 divided by 2 gives us 13. And 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. So our end result, 13 over 12.